Welcome to Next Level English. Today, we have an exciting challenge for you: 30 MCQs on English grammar in 10 minutes. Test your knowledge and level up your skills with this quick quiz. Let's get started. 1. Correct form of the verb, he. To the market every morning. Goes. Tips: watch for subject-verb agreement. 2. Which of these sentences is in the passive voice? A song is sung by her. Tips: passive voice emphasizes the action, not the doer. 3. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like ice cream. Tips: use auxiliary verbs correctly and add s for third-person singular. 4. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't know the answer. Tips: be mindful of the correct form of do in negative sentences. 5. Which is the correct indirect speech? He said that he was tired. Tips: tenses often change in indirect speech. 6. Which of the following is a declarative sentence? I like ice cream. Tips: a declarative sentence makes a statement. 7. Correct punctuation for this sentence: she said I am hungry. She said, I am hungry. Tips: use quotation marks when quoting speech. 8. Which sentence is in the past continuous tense? He was eating lunch. Tips: the past continuous tense uses was slash were plus verb ing. 9. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't like chocolate. Tips: doesn't pairs with the base verb. 10. Which of the following is a preposition? Under. Tips: a preposition shows a noun's relationship with other words. 11. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will eat lunch. Tips: will forms the future tense. 12. Which sentence uses there correctly? They're going to the park. Tips: there means they are. 13. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? I am eating lunch now. Tips: the present continuous uses am or are or is plus verb ing. 14. Which sentence uses the comparative form of the adjective? She is more talented. Tips: the comparative form compares two things with more or er. 15th. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will eat lunch. Tips will forms the future tense. 16. Which sentence uses their correctly? They're going to the park. Tips, there means they are. 17. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? I am eating lunch now. Tips, the present continuous uses am/are/ as plus verb ing. 18. Which sentence uses the comparative form of the adjective? She is more talented. Tips, the comparative form compares two things with more or er. 19th. Which sentence correctly uses its or its? Dog wagged its tail. Tips, it shows possession, it means it is or it has. 20th. Which sentence contains a proper use of a conditional? If I see her, I will tell her. Tips, first conditional, if plus present simple, will plus base verb. 21. Which sentence is correct? She doesn't like coffee. Tips, use the base form of the verb after doesn't. 22. Which sentence uses effect correctly? The weather will affect our travel plans. Tips, effect means to influence, while effect is a result. 23. What does bizarre mean? Strange. Tips, think about something unusual or weird. 24. Which word is an adjective? Beautiful. Tips, adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. 25. What is the opposite of empty? Full. Tips, consider the opposite of a container being void of anything. 26. Which word is a noun? Happiness. Tips, a noun represents a person, place, thing, or idea. 27. Which is the correct form of the verb? He runs. Tips, third person singular verbs end in s in present simple. 28. Choose the right question form. How are you today? Tips, use the correct word order for questions. 29. Which sentence uses their correctly? They're going to the store. Tips, there refers to a location or existence. 30. What is the synonym of angry? Furious. Tips: focus on strong negative emotions. Great job on completing the quiz. Don't forget to like this video, comment your score below, and subscribe to Next Level English for more fun and learning. See you in the next one.